So now that you have the product idea in front of you, we start with generating online funnel ideas. What kind of funnels do I need to build to promote the kind of product I want to promote? So using different types of, or understanding different types of funnels. In this video, we'll explore the different types of funnels you can use for your business. Are you ready to dive in? Here, we start the actual journey of building funnels from understanding what are the different types of funnels. First is the sales funnel. This is the most common type of funnel and is designed to turn prospects into paying customers. It typically includes stages like awareness, interest, decision, and action. And at each stage, you provide relevant information and incentives to guide your prospects towards making a purchase. So a sales funnel is packed up with all the different stages of the funnel. So right from making people aware about your product, to making them interested, to creating some curiosity, to making them buy your product. So all of that goes into one funnel, and that is the sales funnel for you. Next, we have the lead generation funnel. So here the funnel focuses on collecting contact information from potential customers, usually in exchange for something valuable like a free ebook or a webinar. So a lead magnet is what we call it. The goal here is to build a list of qualified leads that you can nurture over time. So this is not a sales funnel, but you are actually only getting prospects or leads. So this is the first step of a bigger funnel. So where you are not immediately wanting to sell your product, but you are right now interested in creating awareness and getting email IDs of people who might be interested in a product like what you are offering. So this reduces the cost of your marketing, because maybe your product is a high value product that people might not be ready to buy the day you show it to them. So what you do is, to keep them hooked up with your messaging or your ads, you give them something for free and collect their email addresses and phone number, and then you retarget them the next time you have something. Another popular type is the webinar funnel. This funnel is great for educating your audience and showcasing your expertise. It typically involves promoting a webinar, getting people to register, sending reminder emails, and then hosting the live or recorded event. After the webinar, you follow up with an offer. So that's another type of funnel. Then we have the product launch funnel. This funnel is designed for launching a new product. It includes stages like pre-launch, launch, and post-launch. So these are again different stages of the funnel. During the pre-launch phase, you build anticipation with teasers and sneak peeks. So let's say you have a product launch planned for the 30th of this month. So you start for the first week, you only build anticipation with teasers and sneak peeks coming soon, a blank banner with some ideas and some sneak peeks, and you build anticipation. On launch day, you make the product available with special offers, and in the post-launch phase, you follow up with testimonials and additional incentives. Finally, let's talk about the membership funnel. This funnel is ideal for subscription-based businesses. So if you are a coach or consultant and you want to sell something on a monthly basis, or have people sign up for your memberships and you keep giving them, so maybe a gym coach or a training coach or a life coach or a business coach who gives you monthly advisories or monthly coaching sessions. So membership funnel is relevant for people like those. It guides potential members through the process of learning about your membership program, understanding the benefits, and signing up. It's crucial for building a loyal customer base. So these are just a few examples of the many different types of funnels you can use. Each one has its own unique purpose and structure, and choosing the right one depends on your specific goals and audience. Understanding the different types of funnels is the first step in creating a successful online strategy.